How to add or change your profile picture on your Facebook. Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to do this easy and quick, so let's do it. So first, just open your Facebook and it will open directly here on your homepage, as you see. So right now you have to open your profile. When you open your profile, we see your profile. As you see, I don't have any profile picture. I want to add it or change this. I will click here and click on choose profile picture. And from here, guys, you have to choose a picture. For example, I don't know, for example, from your picture here, I will choose a picture, for example, this, and I will control it like this, for example, and click down and click save, and that's all. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and